Step 1. Be sleeping in your bed. Step 2. Wake up to the sound of the door closing. You look around but don't see anything. I must have been dreaming. Since I'm awake, might as well use the washroom. Step 3. Stand up to pee. As you start to walk, you breathe. Step 4. Imagine an orange jumpsuit is standing over you. Step 5. Wake up in your bed. You are confused. Was I dreaming again? No more puppies kicking before bed. Step 6. Your face hurts. Get out your phone to check your face. Oh no! Why do I look like the guy from my dream? Step 7. You hear pounding at your door. It's the police. They think you are the prelude.